Now again we are see about that asset to CA relationship. We can create an asset now. Let me go to the Windows Server. Under configuration servers, Windows. Here can select the personalize and select the updated one. So last time we have discovered that Windows Mid server, right? Our Windows Mid server. Let me open the discovery. Or else, okay. Here is my Windows discovery. You can have the serial number in there. It's taking some time to load. Here we have the statuses. We can take the latest status. This is the latest status. We can open this one. Here in the CA, open the CA. We do have this serial number, right? Let me copy this serial number and paste it in my end in the text editor or anything. I can paste it with me. So now I am going to delete this one. Can note one thing. Let me open the other discovery and see the serial number, because this one we have deleted with this CA class. So if I open this one, this here also the CA should need to empty, because all the discovering one device. So for all devices the CA should need to empty, but for the particular IP address the CA can be empty only. So we have deleted that CA. Now I am going for hardware assets under portfolio. Okay, you can click new. Model category will be computer. Model will be Dell. You can provide any of the things. So I can select this one, Alienware 17X. So asset tag I can give anything, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So like this I can give. So here the main thing I am gonna give is serial number. This one I just copy this serial number and paste it in here, which I have deleted the devices in the my Windows discovery. I have deleted that devices, right? My Windows discovery IP address device. So let me save this record. So if I save this record, you can open this configuration item. You have this name, the serial number which we have given, that is the name which has populated. So in the name model ID also, as we have given that, right? So that is populated serial number, which we have copied earlier. So if a name field is not populated during creation of the CA record, by default it is automatically populated with the serial number and model name. The field along with many more are updated during the discovery process. So we can run the discovery to update the CA and asset records. So let me go to the Windows Discovery now. Now I can do the discovery. Can run this discovery now. Let this discovery get completed and we'll come back again. So the discovery got completed. Now I will show you one thing. Let me refresh this one. So you can see this one, rule 4, search it on CMDB underscore CA underscore hardware for attribute serial number match. So this means the serial number has been, we already copied that serial number, right? This has been discovered, but before that we had copied and pasted the serial number, right? So that serial number has been matched with this discovery, so that this rule 4 has been showing, right? So if I go to the devices, you can see the updated CA. So the computer record was updated to a Windows server. This is known reclassification, which is a configurable option. So it's turned on by default. So if I click this CMDB underscore CI, so you can verify the asset tag. So let me open this one. So this is a asset tag which we have already given in last time, right? This one here. So the asset tag, serial number, those kind of things are updated. Okay. So the, if I notice, the model ID also has been updated in the in here. So this kind of things are the before that the serial number only it's populated, but now it has updated as a proper IP address, asset tag. Before we updated this one, manufacturer, asset, the OS domain, those kind of things has been updated. So the discovery reconciled on the an existing CI record by using the serial number, because discovery updated the CI with the different information than what was populated during the creation of asset record. So the model and the manufacturer values changed. This can be an undesirable outcome if product models used during the procurement and the creation assets differs from what is identified during the discovery process. So it is important to make sure product models and manufacturers are named the same as a discovery to keep the data consistent. So you can use the CA verification to manually create the asset record. Let me delete the Windows server again. So now let me go to the Windows server. So this is the Windows servers are there. Here this is a mid server IP, right? 128. So let me delete this one. Let me cross check again. This 128, 337, 128. So let me delete this one. So once I delete that, me go to the hardware asset. So if you see the asset tag which we already created, that is also get deleted. So from the hardware asset, let me click new. You can provide the model category as a Windows server. Model as a Dell M17. Asset tag again we can give ABC456 like that, anything. ABC456 serial number, anything 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this, appropriate serial numbers. Let me save this one. Once I save this one, this configuration item got automatically populated. Now I'm navigating to the model categories. So let me search for Windows Server. So in the Windows Server, can open this one. Let me enable this enforce CA verification. So by check this one, enforce CA verification overrides the automatic creation of an asset or updating an existing CA record during the discovery process. A new CA will be created that can then be merged with an existing CA record or allow for the creation of a new asset record to be associated. So this is a preferred method to eliminate the creation of duplicate CAs and asset records. So let me navigate to the My Windows Server Discovery. So here from the status we can open this one. Let me refresh this. So once we enable this N4 CA verification, I can do the Windows Discovery again. Click Discover now. Let's wait for some time and then come back. The discovery got completed, right? So now I can go to the devices. Let me open this one. So you can verify asset and asset tag here. Asset tag. So having a CA verification selected on the model category prevents the automatic creation of an asset record from the CA record. You can either merge the newly created CA with an existing CA, or you can create a new asset record and associate with a newly created CA. So let's navigate the scheduled job. So let me open the asset, create asset. I think it's already present, right? Let me check. Asset create, asset delayed sync, this one. Let me open this one. So we can execute this one. So this one will create a asset delayed sync. So let me execute this one. So I have executed. So now I can go to the Windows server. So let me open the Windows server. So this is a discovered server, right? Let me open this. So here we can scroll down and verify create asset is there, right? So we can verify this asset, create asset UI action, and merge CI. So both buttons are visible, right? So let me click the create asset. So once we click the create asset, let me reopen this one, which we already discovered. So the asset getting populated. So once the this is the old one, right? We haven't done anything. So let me navigate to the model categories. So here I can open the Windows server. So again we can uncheck this. So that's it, today's video. You can able to see the asset records now, right? So by this practice we learn about that CA verification selected on a model category prevents the automatic creation of the asset record. So from the CA record you can either merge the newly created CA with an existing CA, or you can create a new asset record and associate it with the newly created CA, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching my video.